Some animal videos are cute, some animal videos are sad, and some are just, well, unbelievable. And here's a whole bunch of that variety. Do you get freaked out by the sounds of things slithering or scurrying around in your walls? Well, you might want to look away during this clip. This fox's hearing is so sensitive that it can hear mice moving beneath the snow, and then do the weirdest example of diving ever in order to eat them.
An enormous leap to catch a critter under 3 feet of snow.
Show me, what would you like?
This dog, ladies and gentlemen, can talk. Well, with a bit of help.
Kenny, one bone. Come get your bone.
Believe it or not, this penguin from the Edinburgh Zoo had already been knighted. But this is the day that Sir Niels Olav was given the title of Brigadier. That life-changing moment when you discover you've got ears. They say that art is all about collaboration. Well, it certainly is when you've got a dog like this. Have you ever heard the old phrase, the patience of a crow? No, neither have we. But you can't argue with the proof. This bird has impressive hand-eye coordination. Or should it be beak-snack coordination? The last place a chilled-out crocodile expects a jaguar attack to come from is the water.
1, 2, boom, teeth in.
Here's another new Akimbo series. When animals are so smart, it seriously freaks us out.
What's this made of? Metal. Yes, that's right. Good boy. All right. What's this made of?
Paper.
Yes, good boy. 2 more. What's this made of?
Glass.
Yes, good job. Right, 1 more. What's this made of?
Rock.
Yes, good job, Apollo. There's your pistachio.
This is what an elephant drinking game looks like.
That's what, 5 gallons, 3 gallons?
This is a pheasant mating dance. And let's be honest, the female pheasant doesn't look too impressed.
She already has 2 babies, so I don't know what he's doing. You've already done your duties. You've already done your duties.
You've got to admire this guy's ambition, but you can't run away from the facts. A pelican can't eat a capybara. It's a sign of the times when even otters have to take on part-time work. When there's no adult elephant around to help, then you sometimes need to rely on a mechanical one. This bird can do more voices than all of the impersonators from Saturday Night Live put together.
My sweet turd bird. Who's my precious jabby bird? Who's my precious jabby bird?
Here's another crocodile being surprised by a predator who's usually significantly less wet. Do you hate doing your laundry? Well, why not get yourself a pet orangutan?
And now the human orangutan laundry operation is in full swing.
Some animals can be very clingy. In this panda's case, quite literally. This might look like a twig, but it's best not to try and snap it between your fingers. You'll end up covered in moth juice. Yes, it's that old early morning problem of putting your leg in the wrong side of your trousers. Most of us would be surprised to find out that moose shed their antlers. And so was this moose. Watch how this snake plays dead. What a drama queen. When woman, man, and dog are equally matched. Sadly, belugas don't have hands to fetch their toys with. But luckily, they don't need them either. For any problem with teaching a sea otter to close a door is that you're also teaching them to open it.
Open. Cool.
Once again, we see a crow who's very skilled with a stick. Who needs hands when you've got a beak? This, Akimbo fans, is why you never see a bird with a fishing rod. This is what it looks like after someone's been mugged by ants. Don't have your gold jewelry out on display, guys. Ah, the age-old struggle of trying to give medication to a dog. When cats have an office-based day job. Prepare yourself for cuteness overload. A mother's love crosses all boundaries of species. Go about your business, nothing to see here, just an orangutan driving a golf cart. Bull is a man's best friend. That's a saying, right? Rabbits and hares are always cute. Well, until they've had a few drinks on a Friday night. When cats and dogs work together, they can create one criminal genius.
Are you kidding me?
Here at Akimbo, we'd always advise extreme caution when picking up a hitchhiker, especially if they open the car door with their mouth.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Cats are very independent. They can even play a two-person game with themselves. This dog would also do a very good job in a subway during rush hour. You're never too small or too furry to be chivalrous. Sometimes you've got an itch so bad that you have to take extreme measures to scratch it. Here's the first in a new series here at Akimbo, Life Hacks for Geese. Who needs thumbs when you've got brains? You get the feeling that one of these dogs is significantly smarter than the other one. See if you can guess which one's which. Amazon won't usually deliver to bears, so they have to just steal other people's packages instead. This gorilla knows the rules about visitors feeding him, and even uses sign language to tell them not to. This is either a very large tennis ball or a very small dog. You've heard of cat burglars. Well, how about this? There's nothing more terrifying than when a kangaroo performs a mime act outside your window. Have you ever wanted to save money on cat litter? Yeah, here's how. These oarfish aren't usually seen on the surface of the water. Thank God for smartphone cameras.
Holy shit, look at this f***ing thing! Oh my God, what the f*** is that, bro?
Have you ever seen someone walking down the street that you'd like to avoid? Well, imagine if you could do this. Every living thing on the planet enjoys relaxing on a freshly made bed. The act of celebrating after scoring a goal is universal, even for deer. This guy's got a great voice. I wonder if he knows I Am the Walrus. If every convict had a tongue like this, then jails would be useless. This dog has such an incredible work ethic that it looks like this video's been sped up.
Good jockey.
Proof that every shop in the world needs a rabbit assistant. Before they left the house, this dog's owners told him to wait for their package. Oh, and scare off the delivery guy straight afterwards. This is the hawk equivalent of warming your hands up by the fire. This shrimp manages to create himself several little force fields of H2O on his way back to the water. And now here's the coolest dog in the history of dogs. I wonder if his owner's Tony Hawk. It's hardly unbelievable that you've enjoyed those unbelievable animal moments. But do you know what is unbelievable? That you haven't subscribed yet.